привет, дорогие друзья, с вами Карим, и сегодня у нас будет фан-атака из 1000 хогов. Ну что ж, поехали.
Just put me down. I wish that I could fall asleep. Loving you is suicide. Don't know, should I go or should I stay? I'm trying to keep myself alive, knowing there's a chance it's all too late. But I heard you say you love me. That's the part I can't forget. And I wish that you could save me, 'cause I'm standing over the edge. I should let you go. Tell myself a